You.
Publix teeth. Dead for your teeth.
Oh my god, I'm gonna pee again.
That's right. You.
Oh jeez, I'm gonna pee again.
Can you smell what the rock is? This is $90 bucks. This is how you break it. When there's nothing in there, you gotta do like this.
Hey, that's mine.
Like I said, when you run out, you do like this.
Yeah, we pretended that we were from Scotland.
We are from Scotland, New York.
Jeez, go to school, idiot.
Well,
Nothing.
Grandma send me home?
Grandma, take me home. Grandma, take me home. Grandma, take me home. I want to be alone.
It's still on. Read this. Can you read that?
What?
Is it too blurry?
Bloody. Is it bloody?
This is my legs. Those are Jamie's legs. This is Jamie. This is Casey.
Oh, they're holding them upside down.
That was upside. Is it still upside down?
Yeah.
No. Is it upside down now?
No.
No? Vote for Obama.
What? Vote for Obama.
Just kidding.
Obama.
I just kidding. You know I kid a lot. Just kidding. You know.